Hello, today we're showing our Pinnacle model L-210C. It has the C spindle, which is a 3-inch bar capacity, 10-station servo turret, 10-inch chuck, full boxway machine, has a Fanuc control, just going through a little warm-up program right now. Here's the control. You can see you have a full panel. Handle anything you need. Just watch it go through the little startup program. Warm up. You can see the large box ways there. This is a 3,500 RPM machine with a 25 horsepower. Hardened Ground Ways, 10,000 pounds. It's got a fully programmable tail stock on it and a chip conveyor. Brand new warranty. Close the door once. It's CE approved as well as UL. Compact machine. Has a great turning diameter. What RPM you got? 1,500 RPM right now. After quiet. And what's nice is it has a maximum cutting diameter of 17.3 and a center distance of 24. 2,000 RPM. Back to 15. Alright, well thanks for viewing. You can see the quick servo turret and everything here in the video. Please give us a call if you have any questions. There we go. Thank you.